Hello, welcome to PS the Tutor. In this video, we'll be looking at geometric progression that comes in paper 2. And I have this question 2018 which says the first three terms of the GP are k plus 4, k, 2k minus 15. Where k is a positive integer, that means if you find your answer k to be negative, that isn't the answer which you're looking for, its answer is positive. Find the value of k. We know that common ratio is equal to second term, alright, divided by the first term, or we can get the third term divided by the second term. But these two are equal. It's the same thing that we are going to do. We are going to do as if we are finding a common ratio, which will be equal to k divided by k plus 4, which is equal to 2k minus 15 divided by k. If you cross multiply, we're going to have k squared is equal to k times 2k. You're going to get 2k squared. K times negative 15k, you get negative 15. 4 times 2k, you get 8k. And 4 times 15, so you get 60. Alright. Now from here, we know that we can collect the like terms. How can we collect the like terms? This one can go the other side. So in short, when this goes the other side, you are going to have 2k squared minus what? Minus k squared. Then this, when you subtract them, we're going to have a negative k7 minus 60. Here, we are going to have here we are going to have k squared minus negative 7k minus 60. Let's equate it to 0. Once we reach this, we need to factorize now using the reverse, by factor method. So the product, the sum is the middle number, which is negative 7. The product is the first number here, which is 1, times negative 60. We're getting negative what? 60. Now we need to find our factors. Two numbers when I add to give you negative 7, when I multiply to give me negative 60, is negative 12 and 5. When I add negative 12 plus 5, it gives me negative 7. And I multiply negative 12 times 5, it gives me 60. Therefore, I'm going to write the sum in terms of those two numbers. So I'll say plus 5k minus 12k minus 60 is equal to 0. I'm going to group these. How? So I'm going to factorize these two because k is common there. K plus 5. What is common here? Negative is common. What else is common? 12 is common. I'm going to make k 12 into 60. Actually, I'm getting positive 5. Is equal to 0. I'm going to get these two which are outside and group them. Sorry. Negative 12. I'm going to get one of these because they're the same. I'll still say equal to 0. This means that k minus 12 is equal to 0 and k plus 5 is equal to 0. When I take one of these to equal to 0, this one give me 12, or this one give me negative 5. But remember, they are not looking for anything which is negative. We cancel. Our answer is 12. B says list the first three terms. Now, this is our A. Our B says list. Remember that we have k plus what? K plus 4. This is the same as 12 plus 4 to give me what? 16. Remember k here we have which is just 12. Then here we have 2k minus 15, which is the same as 2. K is 12 minus 15, and this will give me 9. So my first three terms is actually 16, 12, and 9. Find the sum to infinity. The sum denoted by this to infinity is equal to a over 1 minus r. Now, before going further, we need to find r. R is equal to, remember, second term divided by the first term. Our second term actually is 12. Our first term is 16. When I reduce here, I'm getting 3 over 4 because 4 can go into 12 how many times? 3. 4 can go into 16 how many times? 4. When I punch on the calculator, if you punch, you're going to get 0.75 as your value of R. Hence, A, remember, A is your first term. A is your first term here, which is 16. I'm going to put 16 minus 1 over 0.75. 16 divided by 1 minus 0.75 is 0.25. Therefore, the sum to infinity is equal to 16 divided by 0.25. Punch on the calculator and confirm with me to give you 64. So, that's what I had for you today. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.